My name is David Nemiroff. I'm the President and CEO of Harmony Healthcare Long Island. You're in our new company headquarters here in Garden City, New York. We're in healthcare. We wanted this building to use as many environmentally sustainable technologies as we could. And the amount of nuance and technology just in these lights was amazing.
So I'm Ron Zaccardi. I'm Director of Facilities at Harmony Healthcare, and we're here at 400 Oak Street. I think most people say, well, what does it cost me, right? So even if the cost is cost neutral, the difference is you put in a low voltage lighting system from traditional line voltage, your cost is your cost. You put in a SmartEngine project, even if the cost is the same, every day you are using it, you are saving money because you're saving that 70% from a 0.9 watts a square foot to a 0.153 or a 0.2 watts a square foot. So that alone is an immediate payback, and you're getting a return on your investment. And I think when you're speaking with clients or you're speaking with an owner, especially in New York City with Local Law 97, and you do have to cut back your use of power, it's something that just, why wouldn't you do it?
Having all these sensors help us with VOCs and air quality and temperature all help us to regulate our lived environment. It's just a matter of fact that we had rehabbed a health center about 6 months earlier. So we had just done a 24,000 square foot building a little earlier and should have taken advantage of this technology but didn't. And when it came to this building, the 20,000 square feet, we definitely saw some cost savings in that. The usability of the system. The other one is very hard, very challenging, where a person's got to sit behind a computer to figure it out. Here, it's so much more seamless. The switches, the processes, the employee engagement, so much easier to use. It's just a better feel, and how we hooked it up to our IT room was remarkable and seamless.
We installed all the IAQ sensors. Harmony Health applied for a Fitwell certification, and wtec was extremely helpful in providing David with the necessary reports required in order to get our Fitwell certification.
As a CEO of this organization, I am trying to also build it for the next 20 years where I may not be here, and that it's sustainable. So this to me was a sustainable technology that helps us not only reduce costs, but improve value. And that's what this was about. How do we get the most bang for our buck? Everybody needs light, but at the same time, how do we add value to monitoring air quality, making sure that people who work here are in a safe and healthy environment? And then, is that cost, can I take those savings, which are thousands of dollars for us, and reinvest them back into the organization, the company? We're a mission-driven organization, taking care of our community regardless of somebody's ability to pay. I can't imagine that anybody in the nonprofit or for-profit space would regret using a system like wtec to help improve their bottom line and their peace of mind.